do a video how to remove the center stick and that hook. The manual doesn't make sense and I can't pull it out. Okay, this is the newer TP77. So we have been reviewing this product. So if you want to remove this hook, I think you are mentioning about this hook, okay, if I'm not mistaken. First of all, you just need to pull this, grip this, and go for anti-clockwise. And after that, you can remove this screw. It's actually a screw with a spring, like this. You get it? After that, remove this grip, and you are finished removing the hook. And then the next step, loose this grip first. Make sure you are losing this one. Okay, now just remove your root, and you can make it as monopods or another things. And also you can remove this monopod system. Now you are having three different things you can do with this. Also, the newer TP77, you also can remove this one. Everything can be removed and can be replaced with another things. So this one also you can remove just by make it loose by anti-clockwise. Now you get the loose one, or make sure to tighten it back. There you have it. If you want to put it back, just put it inside like this, and then make sure you put this grip back, and there you have it. This one, the hook, the spring hook. Okay, now you are finished. Just tighten this and you are ready to go. So we put this monopod back, and also this one. Okay, perfect. Okay, that's all from me. If you have any question, you can comment down below.